We are seeing all the salesperson here. What if I want to see one team at a time? To limit the data, we can use a filter or slicer. So let's add this slicer visual here. So this is the slicer visual, and here I'll put team, the slicer visual. So now you can see this. These are the teams, and I can filter my data by the team that I want to select. Now let's see how we can format the Power BI reports. So for changing the visuals, I need to go here. That is the format option here. So select the table first and then do this format option. So if I go to values here, I can change the text size. Say I want to make it bigger, say 40. Next, after values, we can use this grid option to increase the row padding. So it is 1, and see what happens is it will increase the width of these rows. So let's say we do it 3. We can also change the text size and increase here. Let's also increase the size of these column headers. So for column headers, say I want the size to be around 80. Oh, yes. Let's also change the font size. So if I say Sequoia Bold, in column headers, let's change the background color to 20% darker, and font color to white. We should make it little more darker. Background color, yes. You can also get more visuals here. So if you go to get more visuals, you can get bullet chart, infographic designer, Gantt chart, which is used for task detailing. So when you are making project details, or then you can use Gantt chart. Then there's tornado chart, word clouds, visual forecasting. You can do Parima, timeline, box and whisker to check the outliers, quartile distribution. Then there's time series decomposition. Let's circle back to the concept of DAX and use few more measures here. So let's add one new measure of total boxes. So for that, right click, new measure, and new measure is total boxes, and which is sum and sum and saves of the boxes. And close this, and click here, and as you can see, we got this total boxes as new measure, and we format it as whole number, and 1000 separator. And now we can select the visual and add total boxes. Increase the size here, and I want to see it by salesperson by best performing sales, so I can sort it by clicking here. So here's right now it is in ascending, so yeah, so I can sort it here. Next we can check what is the amount per boxes. So basically, if I want to find which salesperson is bringing more money per box, so I can create amount per box, and I already have total amount and total boxes created. These two measures have already created, and I can create amount per box. So it's the same drill. Go to sales, new measure, and I write amount per boxes, which is basically my total amount by total boxes, and I tick mark this, and you can see the amount per boxes is created here. Just click on this, and let's make this if I say sort with the total amount, and then say I see amount per box. So though there are some sellers which are selling higher amount, but amount per box is not that high. So for example, here I have this is total amount is also high, the amount per box is also high. Here the total amount is higher, and so 17, 16, 15, but here if you see the total amount is higher, not that high. So this one has a higher total amount, but amount per box is higher for this salesperson.